Hey everyone, how y'all doing? So today, coming at you from the shop and tearing open a Beta 52A. I did a little short clip of this, just tearing it apart, but now it's like, okay, I'm getting into the guts and bare bones of it. And it's pretty simple and interesting. I mean, so whenever you're tearing this out, try not to tear it out. So you have these teeth right here, you got to pin back. And if you have a screwdriver like this, that can work as well to help pry that open. But I am already right here, and boom, we are on the inside. So the customer is stating that this no longer works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out that circuit board, ohm it out, and see if there's anything reading or anything giving it a bad connection. Yeah, this should be fun. As you can see right in here, I'm gonna go ahead and just quick easy disassembly. So but on this one, you just pull it out like that. There you go. Now we can see and check for any burn parts. I'm not seeing anything. I am seeing this. I don't know, that's kind of weird. But okay, now let's go ahead and flip this thing over. See if we got any burnt diodes or whatever. Looks like everything is on there where it needs to be. This is very, very thin wire. So, yep, everything looks good. Alright, just prop that up right there. We're going to see there's a break in the line from this connector right here, your mic prongs, to their puts. Their solder points right there. So let's go ahead and test the black wire first. Whenever you put them together like that, you should automatically get like solid 0 rating, something close to 0. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Now let's go and test the red wire, which for some reason is number 3. Good on that one. I'm just doing a standard test. So okay. $72.4. What does this one say? 2.3. Okay, so the diodes are fine. But still, let's go ahead and test this real quick. Ooh, oh no. So let's go ahead and try it again. Hopefully I wasn't even on it. Okay, we're getting ohmage. Let's see if we get an ohm. 22.1. I'll take it. So it's ohming out. I'm going to go back to this one and see if this one ohms out again for me. If it doesn't, then I may need to run power through it. Just gotta set up a board. There's that 40 again. Okay. So everything on the chip tested all right, except this one is a little weird. All right, and so now we're gonna go ahead and put this and scooch it in here. As you can see, we're gonna make that kind of line up with that. You're going to take a flathead and you're going to tighten it. And what's cool is it's going to actually tighten into the housing. And it's going to lock in place like that. Now, we're going to easily take this, slide it in to place. Okay, awesome. Now for the hard part. Gotta get your little screw in. And what's cool is, if you have a magnetic tip, bam. All you gotta do is just make sure you don't drop it while it's going in there. And just go to down. Make sure that's secured like that. Everything's flexible and bendable. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this back up. You're gonna have to clean this right here. And you have teeth right here. Right there. That if you nick it, break it, may not sit properly. So when you're using this, you want to be careful to not cut yourself and not destroy the product. So it's actually a lip over here. That is a cavity and you don't see it at all. You have one right here, one right here. Oh, there's one, two. There it is. Third one's in. It's all connected. Getting this out and getting this in is the hardest part of everything. The same way I got it out is the same way I put it back in. Slowly and making sure all these things are pried out. And also, you got to look underneath to make sure that you're going along the line right here. If you're going along that line, you're safe. Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna go to the top. Just lock that in there like that. Now I'm just gonna get this sucker and secure that whole entire housing. And then test this once I can. Store. This right here is the Beta 52. And now we're going to test it with an old school mixer going into this new X amplifier that has both instrument and mic input, so I don't want to hook it up to anything bigger. So I'm going to make sure my gain's up, volume's up. Now let's go ahead and test the mic. Oh, there we go. We got volume. Okay, so we're getting volume right here on the board. Now let's see what we get on Ooh, no reverb. Okay, let's go ahead and get that. Get that. All right. Check, check, 1, 2, testing, 1, 2, check. There you have it. This thing actually works now, and there's nothing ever wrong with it. But either way, hope you guys like this video. Comment, subscribe, whatever, or even talk trash to me. I don't care. Y'all have a good one. Peace.